So this is one of the most eagerly anticipated components for us internally. We've been working very, very long on this. This is definitely more than a year in development. And what you're kind of seeing in the first release today is just the tip of the iceberg of what is to come. So in the first section, what we have is just the Mesa gift being introduced. It is a chain level gift option. This does mean that you can segment, you can cross settle tickets. So you can order or get a gift card in one store, settle it at another. We support the concept of segmentation inside a chain in the form of groups. So you can group stores together, and then inside that chain, gift cards sold at one store can only be redeemed inside that group or concept. So if you have a chain that has, is large enough to where they're going to have group segmentation, you can support that as well, and still have that support headquarter settlement for the Mesa gift. So this is a huge gift you've dealt with Aldelo, and actually even most gift card systems in general. Mesa gift is a QR-based system, so it is going to move away from the very restrictive MSR-based systems and move to a much easier, much more friendly QR-based system. We're doing this because it's better reliability. You can have larger data strings. You can have a smaller size requirement, so the barcode size versus a QR size can be much, much smaller, giving them a lot more advertising room. It's also a universal standard. One of the problems with barcodes is we don't think about this too much in the United States, but there's actually more than 40 standards for barcodes out there, and for everything from embedded barcodes to code 13, which is what we use traditionally in the United States, to ECR or ER standards. And so there's a ton of standards. QR codes, there's one standard across the board that's being used. So that works out much nicer. Nick, oh, there we go. I got a little video here that'll run, but it is going to show you, you can do a balance check. You can do a balance check in here much faster than you ever could with an MSR. Literally, you're going to click the little button down there that says Inquiry Balance. You're going to get a little screen that pops up. You can wave your card in front of the camera, and boom, it'll pick it up and do it faster than the little animations can keep up. It's actually really amazing. Selling a gift card is quick and easy. Yeah, there's the animation running there. You can sell a gift card as part of an order. So that's a vast improvement over the Aldelo POS. And as you see, you can settle an order is literally just a matter of clicking the gift card button and scanning the gift card right in the camera. And boom, it's done. Very, very fast and easy. Go ahead and go to the next slide. The reporting for this, it's actually almost all cloud-based reporting for your gift card information. With the exclusion of your end-of-day reports from the point of sale, will include how much gift card sales and issues you have. On the cloud, you can see exactly what kind of payment activity and stuff you have. You can see the tender information, so you know how many times you've redeemed a gift card. And from a corporate level, you can actually see how much needs to be transferred between stores in order to pay from one store to the other in order to do corporate balancing. So we do have that HQ level funding. We even have an export file where they can, on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, export this file, import it into their ACH system, and save themselves a lot of paperwork. It will have the totals to transfer back and forth between all the stores, and they will obviously export a file for the HQ and for each one of the stores, because typically they're not going to share one account, and that's going to transfer back and forth. Obviously, if you're dealing with a single store location, you don't have to worry about any of that. It's still going to generate the reports, but you really don't have to do any of that type of stuff. A Mesa gift is available for all Express subscription users upon request. It is not a feature that is default turned on. It is something that they can go to our website and request that to be turned on at any time. There we go. And it supports QR codes for both pre-printed cards and QR codes that will be printed on the guest check. So in this first stage, what this really allows you to do is those customers can go get pre-printed cards and hand out just like they're doing their MSR cards now. They will just have a QR code on those. But they can also, if they're just issuing a credit or something like that that's going to be used more temporary, that can actually print directly on the guest check, saving them a little bit of time and money for those cards. Or they can choose just to print on the guest checks. That is totally an option at this point. The best part, it is available now. They can go do this starting today. The next level of apps and stuff will actually be coming out most likely Thursday, which will have some improvements for this, but your customers can actually start setting this up now. For information on how to order the cards, how to reserve bin ranges, see videos on how this works, we've got information posted to aldelo.com/gift. This will actually become in fact, it is actually today already linked to from our homepage through some of the banner ads and stuff that are on the top. Those banner ads and stuff will kind of run through the next week. And when the website gets changed and stuff, there'll actually be a permanent link that goes over to this web page as well from the Aldelo.
For more information about Aldelo and our products, you can always call us at 800-801-6036 or email us at sales@aldelo.com. If you have a support question, email support@aldelo.com, or you can check us out at the family of websites that we have: aldelo.com, aldelopay.com, and the Aldelo.express.